I'm so excited. I gotta work under there. Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. My name is Allie, and we are building an arched cabin. And today, I'm going to be standing up the floor joist. If you're new here, or if it's been a while, Mike got a good chunk of the way through the floor joist, and then he fell and broke his arm, his shoulder. I started picking things up here, and then I came in, I measured and cut everything, screwed it all together, and now it's time to stand it up. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing I need to do is measure this space. And the way we're doing the blocking is we are staggering them on either side of the beam, right over the beam, to make it as strong as possible. So the first one I gotta cut to 12 3/4. So we have a bunch of these leftover 2x10s. And we are going to use these. These are left over from Mike's mom's build. And we're going to use these for the center blocking. Yeah, that wasn't straight. Now we'll see if it goes in. Heavy smoke smell. New. Okay. How bad I did. Definitely gotta cut that again. So we trim these down because you have this 1.5 inches here in the middle. So this one ended up being about 12 3/4 inches versus the 14.5 over there. And we're going to run them in on a slight angle into the wood behind it. Yep. One set of blocking done. I did it. just a reminder of what we're doing here. We push this beam over until it's just touching the string, and that is the proper location. My goal is to get it so it's just barely touching the line. We're dead on. Of course, it would have helped to put the construction adhesive down first. I have definitely had my ups and downs over the past couple of weeks, but I do remember Mike showed me I can use this ratchet strap to pull that board up against that clip, and I'm going to do that now. Let's try to roll up. So I'm thinking, what if I put a clamp behind it? So, let's shove this. Easier said than done. Wow. No. Damn. I'm gonna need another body. Mike will have to press on this in the middle and hold it in place, just lean against it while I screw it in. That's the only way we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna go get him. This one I tried using the ratchet strap, but it kept tipping it forward. Yeah. And you can't do it from the bottom because gravity. And I tried putting a clamp behind it, but it wouldn't hold it. So I just need you to lean against it so I can screw it in.
Where's that squeeze clamp?
That's what I used. I did. Mike's clamping it to the clip. Okay, thank you. How are they looking?
So far, so good.
I don't know about you guys, but I am totally ready to finish some floor joists today. How about you? Let's get right to it. If you'd like to buy some soap and support us, I make it myself. Our website is lazyaholeranch.com. I will leave a link in the comments below, pinned, as well as in the description. Thank you so much. For those of you who do support me in that way, it means the world to me, and it helps me pay for things like memory cards, food, electricity. Thanks, guys. Bye, little friend.
guys. I have 4 to go. I have 4 left to stand up and put into place. And then I'm done with that part. And then we're going to move on to blocking. I'm so excited. I am so close to getting this part wrapped up. And then once I do, we'll get that inspection. And then all we have to do is put the subfloor on. And then it's time to put the house kit up. I'm going to need help with the house kit. I can't do that by myself. So if you're interested in scrubbing in and helping us out and doing us a solid, leave a comment below, or you can email me, info@lazyaholeranch.com. And I can't pay anyone. I can make tacos. I can cook dinner for everybody. I have 1 spare room that will probably be occupied. So it'd be camping. So you'd have to be able to camp. I don't know. I think we can knock it out in like 2 days. I have confidence. We'll have some conferences to talk about and stuff. But if you're interested, email me. Leave a comment below. Let me know that you're interested, and we'll talk. Because I'm not going to be able to do this myself. So please help. Guys, we're so close. I'm so excited. I can't tell you how excited. I'm very proud of myself for the hard work that I put in on this. As my dear friend Tara pointed out, when this is all over with, I'll know the effort that I put in. There have for sure been overwhelming moments and days, but I'm trudging through it and I'm doing the best that I can. And that's all anyone can ever ask. So thank you for supporting me. And thank you for loving me just as I am. So let's finish these last 4 floor joists. Last one. That's it. I'm done. All the floor joists are up. I finished. All the floor joists are up. Now I need to do all the blocking and wrap up the outside. And that's it. I'm almost done. I'm this much closer, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you who take time out of your day to spend with me. You mean a lot. Thanks, guys. Love you. Bye. All the floor joists are up. Oh God, what a feeling that is. It's such a good feeling. But now I gotta wrestle with the blocking next, and it's late in the afternoon. I've been working about 7 or 8 hours today, so I think I'm done for the day. I'm kind of beat. So thank you, and have a great day. And congratulations to our Super Clean winner. That would be Charles C. Lloyd. Super Clean will be sending you a prize pack. Congratulations, and thank you all who commented on the last video. I appreciate it.